Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make text appear and disappear on Canva video. For this example, I will be using the Canva mobile app. So once in Canva, you can simply tap on the search bar and type in the type of video that you want, or you could select videos. Then from there, you can select the video style or size that you would like to use. So for example, let's say I were to select mobile video. After you have done that, you will be led to this page, and from here you can see different templates that you could choose from, or you could tap on the plus to upload a video or use a blank canvas. For speed sake, I won't draw out this video, so I'm going to simply select this video right here. Once it has been added to the timeline, now to add text to the video, all I'll need to do is tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. Then you'll tap on text. Then you can select the text style that you like to use. So let's say I would like to type in simple answers right here. I could do that. Now after doing that, you can tap on done. Then you could change the font style by tapping on font, so you can choose whichever font style you want, as you can see right here. After changing the font style, you could tap on the X, and you can also increase the font size by simply pulling along the slider. And you could also change the color of the font if you tap on color right there. And if you would like the text to be animated, meaning it moving, you could simply tap on animate, and you can see the different animation options that you could choose from. Once you have done all of that and it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots right beside the trash can in the selection of the text. Then you will scroll across and you're going to tap on show timing. Now you will see your text appear in a purple box. Then from here you can simply pull the box to the left or to the right depending on where you would like your text to appear and disappear. So let's say for example I would like my text simple answers to appear for the first 3 seconds. So I'm going to leave it right there. Then I would like another text box to appear after that. So I'm going to simply tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner once more. Tap on the text style that I would like to use. Then from here, I will simply type in subscribe. So let's do that. Then tap on done. Then again, you can use the font style or so on if you want. Now to make subscribe appear in the last section of the text, I'll simply pull along the slider to the right. And I want it to appear for the last 4 seconds, as you can see right there. Now if I were to pull it to the front of the video right there and tap on play, you can see that simple answers appears there, then subscribe appears right there. And that's it. That's how to make text appear and disappear on Canva video. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.